The language, Zaban, Bhasha, is a means of communication essential for development of society, culture and literature. According to the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, 22 languages have been approved.
आंनि मुङा फैसालि बसुमतारी। बर' रावा नर्थ इस्ट इन्डियानि मोनसे रायलायजाग्रा आरो हारिमु गोनां मुंदांखा राव।
बिहा ड्रामा, खन्थाइ, सल'बाथा, सल'मा आरो हारिमु गोनां गिदिर राव। आंनि मुङा फुलेस्वरी बसुमतारी। जों बे मुम्बाइआव 8 बोसोरनिफ्रायनो दङ।
Let us now know about Bodo language and literature in a nutshell. Bodo, the famous language of North India, it covers under Assam, Burmese group and spoken in Nepal and Bangladesh. It is a branch of the Sino-Tibetan family. Bodo is written in Devanagari script from left to right. Bodo has a very rich literature consisting poetry, short stories, novel, biography, drama and travelage. Bodo language is a socio-political movement that was launched by local Bodo organization in 1913 and introduced as a medium of instruction in educational institutions in 1963. The couple of decades has specially proved beneficial in the evolution of the Bodo literature.